Welcome to our YouTube channel Plastic Product Design and Advanced CATIA. In the previous videos, we are discussing about the part design. So today, we will cover the Boolean operations with practice tutorial number 4. So here is our today's task to develop and create the 3D model as like this. So this is the first step of our tutorial number 4 task. First of all, we will create the geometry. After then we will create a remove geometry to create that pocket. Then we will do the Boolean operations here. This is again the Boolean operation part. After then we will draw this cylindrical part and this pocket. So this is the basic process to create this part. So once again we will look first step, second, third, fourth, fifth, and finally we get a 3D model here. Let's open the CATIA mechanical design part design, give the name as a tutorial number 4. So now we are in the part design environment. So let's take a origin point to create the axis system. Guys, please refer this process for Boolean operations. Give the name as a reference element for the geometrical set. After then we are going to take a Boolean operation, that's why we are taking the bodies here, number of bodies we required. Now take axis system here, hide all the default planes. So now we will start to sketch. So basically we will draw this rectangle first, after then we'll give the radius and we'll create the shape. So this is overall dimensions 105 mm, 75 mm and 150 mm. So let's draw. So select the plane, give the point our origin point. So here we'll take the firstly center point as a reference. This is the 30 mm. So let's draw the rectangle here. So we'll draw the center rectangle. So now we'll give the dimensions as per the drawing. So first of all, this is 75 mm, 105 mm. So this total rectangle is of 150 mm. We'll again check. So this is 105, 75. This is from middle, all the dimensions are given, and 150 mm. So okay, the rectangle is get completed. Now let's going to give the radius here. So this is the various 75 and 40 radiuses here. So let's give the radius here. Oh, we'll again give the radius or a corner. So here is a 40 mm, again 40 mm. So two radius of a 40 and two radius of a 75 mm, that it will be create a semicircle here. So rather than using the rectangular, you can directly use the semicircle also there. So here the basic sketch is get completed. Now let's give the pad of a 10 mm. So we'll take a command of a pad. So we are using the body 2. We'll take a pad and 10 mm. So now this pad is get completed. Let's draw this first step we need to complete, and the pad is get completed. Now upper part is remaining. So let's again we'll draw the sketch. We'll give the origin point here and okay. So we are using the position sketch because we are using the Boolean operations. So we'll discuss technical for the position sketch again. So before that, these dimensions are. So let's draw the uppermost part. So we'll use the shaft command here. So the dimensions are 70 mm. So definitely from axis it is a 35. height is of a 40 mm from that face, 40 mm. And we'll give the radius also. Radius is of a 15 mm, 15. So here the sketches get completed. Let's exit this workbench and we'll give the shaft command here. Axis. Okay. So here the basic requirement get completed. Now we will give the radius over 15 mm here. So we'll use the chamfer command, corner command, and it is the radius of a 15 mm. So the step 1 from our presentation get completed. So next step is that we need to do the pack pocket here. So we'll make a boolean operation. So we will pad this shape. So we'll use the command. We will take a body first. So this is the first body, and also we are going to take a new body. So again we'll draw the sketch. So we are going to take a reference of a previous sketch. So here we are using the reference command. We'll hide the sketch again. So now this sketch we need to offset by 10 mm. So we'll select again. So this is the offset of a 10 mm. So we'll look into the drawing also. So you can see that 10 mm offset. So let's give the dimensions. Kindly follow the process. Those are concentric one. So we'll give the all the dimensions related to the our sketch, and we need to make a ISO constraint here. That's why we are giving all the required dimensions. So now radius is remaining, I think. Yes. So after giving the radius, our sketch is getting totally green. It means our sketch is ISO constraint. So now the internal part we need to draw. So those two rectangle we will draw first. So let's take a rectangle here. Simple rectangle. Yes. We'll give the 10 mm here dimensions and allow symmetric against the central axis. So now we'll hide this sketch. Now let's trim unnecessary part. So first of all we'll complete this total sketch here. give the dimension 65 radius. So this half sketches get completed. Now the central rectangle portion. So similarly we are going to draw the sketch. Allow symmetric against the central axis. So this is the 10 So now we will remove and trim all unnecessary part. So it is not visible. That this view is very good. So now center there is a one radius of a 15 So let's draw the circle of a 30 So now our sketch is going to completed just within a 2 minutes. So here is a 30 So now again we will trim the unnecessary part. So here is the sketch is get completed. So now the radius are only remaining. So this is of a 70 10 internal. It means the radius is of a 30 You can also do the calculation at your end. 30 This is of 30. And remaining all the dimensions are radius are at 10 So there are 6 radius. We'll give the roughly first. So this is of a 10 each. So here the sketch is get completed. Again we will check. So the basic sketch is get completed. Now let's in the new body we will going to pad this. Let's going to the using the pad command. Okay, the error is coming. It means there's something is in the sketch. Yes, this line we need to delete. So it is out of sketch, which is not ISO constraint, and our sketch is getting open here. So let's once again we'll check and again exit workbench. Now the pad command will operate properly. So here is the pad of 40 If we hide this body, then we can compare with our presentation. So this is the step 2. L shape. So we'll again take our new body and we'll finish that bottom part. So dimensions are at 10 mm, this is the 20 mm, and radius is of 15. It means the dimension is 30 mm. 20 mm, but from that face it is a 30 mm. This 10 mm. Okay. The L, bottom L get completed here. Let's we need to be make a pad here. So pad is of, let's will check the dimensions once again. It is of a 760 mm. So 30 mm mirror extent. Now let's give the radius of a 30 mm, that it will completed the semicircle. It look like the semicircle here. Yes. So let's take the bodies here for doing the Boolean operations. So those are the add bodies, remove bodies, and the final part we need to take one again body. Give the name whatever you require, tutorial 4 or a final part. So we'll take a part here. So now those bodies are we need to add into the part. We are going to add that bodies into the add, and those bodies are going to remove from the part are going to add into the remove body. So now we have the add and remove. So add body is get added into the part and remove body get removed into the part. command, not for pocket. So this is the through circle throughout the pad, and at bottom side it is up to that plane. So let's remove this from the part. So here 3D is get completed, guys. Once again we'll check here the our 3D and the target 3D is get match. So guys, definitely this video will help you for making a continuous practice of a Boolean operations. So we'll apply the material and similar color to the our component also. So apply the material. So that was the yellow color. So painting, shape and orange color. Yes. So here the task is get completed. So we'll check with respect to the section view. So here is the sections. So 10 mm rib and overall 10 mm thickness is get maintained throughout the component. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel, guys. Be connecting with us. We'll share more and more technical knowledge to you. Do not forget to hit the bell icon, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.